Well, you know what they say, never put off for tomorrow what could be done the day after tomorrow. Me, myself, personally, I never put off till tomorrow what could be done next week. Hey, you know what they say, procrastinate now, don't put it off. Listen, procrastination is not a joke. It's such a bad idea because it leads to stagnation, which is just totally no movement, no getting nothing done, no action at all. And that's what's been happening to a lot of us when we try to start up something or get going in the right direction for to get the money flowing. But guess what? Today I am going to confess. I have been wanting to be so big on putting this off, starting when I get the money, starting when I get the time, starting when I get the support. Listen, how many times are we going to do this to ourselves? This sabotage. Knowing we got a good idea to put out there, knowing people looking for this service, knowing people are paying top dollar for this type of service. Just so afraid to jump out there and get off the porch. Next thing you know, 6 months pass by and your homegirl doing it. Or somebody else is showing up. And it's not you. Oh, and there we go again with the pain of regret. I am guilty. But don't worry. Today, we're not just going to start talking about starting a business. We're going to start doing it right here together from scratch. It doesn't matter what you don't have because when you start focusing what you already have and you focus on that, that's when the magic is going to show up. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Stacks from what? Scratch. That's right, from nothing. Going from the bottom to the top, literally. And you already know who I am, your host, your favorite homegirl, Mrs. Latoya Slater. And that's right, you already know if you've been here before, you can just call me Toya. And I'm for real this time. I want you to grasp on this. Get you a pen and paper because I am going to be dropping some notes for you to take so you can get out there today and get started on this right from where you sitting right now. If you don't have time to go through these steps, then you're probably not ready to be a solid, solidified, validated, true business woman. So take some time out so you can get real with yourself about what you need to do with no budget, no overwhelming advice, suggestions, or actions, no perfect timing needed. We get started from scratch together. So let's go. Step one. Now you need to first of all tell yourself you got this. You got this with what you have. You don't need to wait anymore for the money. No more training. You watched enough videos. You just need to get clear on what it is you're going to do and get moving. The business idea that's in your head is the one that so many people are working on, waiting on. And I don't care if it's braiding hair, babysitting, or branding a business. It's a real idea and it is needed. So when I first started this channel, Stacks from Scratch, don't get it twisted. I did not know where I was going and I did not know where to start. I just started. And by my third or fourth video, I started getting some notions of where I wanted to take this. And that's what made me create the goal. And just the thought of not finishing something else. I have started multiple things. I don't know if you like me. I'm a highly creative person and my mind is always running off with me and giving me so many opportunities and ideas, but I don't always follow through on those ideas. So that's why I'm creating this video for you today. So we can stop doubting ourselves, stop being so discouraged, and give ourselves permission to start like I did it. And I called this an ugly start, an ugly launch. Give yourself permission to know in the beginning everything ain't going to be just the way you want it. But you can always give yourself permission to go ahead with the ugly launch. All right. Step 2, you're going to start this business from scratch that's actually going to work by giving it a name. Name the business first. That's what you're going to do. Pick a name that feels good to your spirit, to your soul, to your mind, and your body. Pick a name that just rings with you, just resonates with you. and that speaks to your people, that speaks your message. Don't be lazy about this. Now, you don't have to get fancy and get too deep into the thought of the name, but you want to give it a little time so that you can get something that you can commit to, and then commit today. Make that a goal. I'm committing to a name today. Next, you're gonna get some. You're gonna get legit. Okay, you're gonna get some structure, and you're gonna get it for free. You're gonna structure your business today. Once you give it a name, you're going to go to irs.gov, irs.gov. That's right. You're going to go on the website and apply for a free EIN number. That is your employee identification number. You're going to need that just like you need a social security number. Your business needs a number to be recognized. Okay, so you're going to give your business a name, and then you're going to go to irs.gov and apply for that free EIN. Yes, this is some gold. So if you don't know how to do that, trust me, it's a 10-minute process. It doesn't even take the whole 10 minutes, and it's not asking for anything extraneous, and it's definitely free. All you need to know is what you're going to name your business and what type of business you want this to be. Meaning, is this business going to be owned by just you? Or is this a business that's going to have multiple owners? Now, you're going to pick to be the sole proprietor of this business. Go ahead and choose this structure for this business today, because the sole proprietor is free and it allows you to go ahead and start giving out your services without any penalties. Okay, so you can start collecting benefits, open up a bank account for your business. Now, if you want to choose an LLC or a different type of structure or corporation, perfectly all right, but do understand that comes with fees, and you're going to have to pay some money to get that license in your hand. Now, once you get your EIN, you can go to the city clerk and apply for your paper. Get that square paper with your name and your business on it. So I'm not telling you to do that today, but I am telling you today to go on irs.gov, put your name of your business in, structure your business as a sole prop, get your EIN right then and there, write it down, make a note of it, keep it with you so you can start using this number to get benefits and notified about your business. Now, next, you're going to do a little research, okay? This is the fun part for me. I love this part. And how many times have I done this? You are going to research your competitors. It takes no time. You're going to spend at least 30, 35, 40 minutes on this, going on Google and researching this type of service. See who's standing out. Check out their ads. Check out their prices. You want to go ahead and start getting the prices in mind, because that's what's going to help you get a clear idea on what you can make and how you can use it to put back into the business. So you're going to get some competitors pulled up. Look at their pricing. Look at what they're offering. Okay, and what type of ads they're running. This is important because this is what you're going to use for inspiration. And not just inspiration, but you're going to go on there and craft a version of this for yourself. And this is what I do. I've done it for my digital product business, which is Slater Media House. I go online and look at prices and competitors' ads, and I do a version of that for myself. I make it cute. I make it creative. And I post my stuff, okay? So I've done this for money bouquets. I do the same thing. I go on Pinterest, I look at the offers, and I price my stuff accordingly, and I create my flyers with a twist, okay? So you're going to make it cute, make it clear, but make it you, all right? You following me? So far, you got a name. Now you got an EIN. You got a business number. You known in the city. And you've done your research. You got a flyer ready. After you've checked out all your competitors, you're going to make your flyer. And then your last step, and this is the juice, you're going to create a space for you online. You need to open up something. I don't care if it is a Facebook page, and that's free. But you're going to put your business, give it some presence online. You're going to create a Facebook page for your business, or you can create an Instagram page, or both if you are savvy like that. If you don't need a website yet, and I know that in time it will come, but trust me, you don't want to start dealing with that right away. If you want to jump on out here from scratch, this is the way you're going to do it. If you don't have time or the resources to create the online space, then do steps 1 through 3 and get on out there so you can do it. But right now, if you're able, go ahead and create a free digital space. This is for free, and it lets your clients know that you're serious about what you're doing. You can post your offers there and post your story. They love your stories, your mission, what this business is all about. You want to give your business some personality, okay? Don't wait on your logo. You don't have to get perfect right now. That will come if you're serious enough. See, the universe needs to know you for real first. Just come on. Come on in the door, and the rest will be added onto you. All right? All right. So I'm glad we was able to sit down and talk about this like some business women. Okay? We able to sit at this table together and talk about the true facts that need to be done to start from scratch. And the truth is, you can start from scratch and you can profit. All right. So my final advice to you, I want you to stop all these shenanigans and start talking like a businesswoman. Grow up. It is time. If you choose to step into this era, it's time for you to speak like you know what you're talking about. Start telling people, I'm a brand strategist. I run a hair care business. I teach children through creative learning. Claim it. Say it with your chest. You got to start speaking like you're the one, okay? And even if you're the only one that's clapping for yourself, even if you're the only one that's recognizing yourself as this, when you start speaking it, your body and your supporters will follow, okay? So here's my challenge for you. Get a girl gang. Pick your business name today. Get your free EIN today. Research your competitors today and post your first offer online tonight. You can do this from scratch. No logo, no branding kit, just motion. Just motion. Get it going, and the momentum will pick up, and you'll be able to have all those beautiful knickknacks that you desire for your business. Comment below what you plan on doing today, and I'm going to cheer you on like we've been sisters for years. Even though we just now meeting. I'm just now bringing me to you. I feel like I can give you some camaraderie in this, because what you want is what I want as well, okay? And that's what this game is all about. All right, now that you got your business in motion, homegirl, the next thing you need to do is start talking like the businesswoman that you are. And I also want you to go watch my video to get paid to be you, because that's going to show you some tricks and hacks on how to get your sales in, just by being having the right attitude and the best personality, because that's the new currency. I want you to go watch that video next. But before I let you go, I have to let you know that it's so important for you to sound serious more than anything. And here are some statements I want you to start using in your conversations or using with your posts. Number one, I want you to say things like, I help women turn their business ideas into income streams. I use strategies that actually work. I want you to be clear, confident, results focused. Before you get your foot in the door, people are going to want to know that this is a longevity commitment for you. They don't want to buy into something that's flimsy, or maybe you can show them by using your words. Next, I want you to say things like, my clients don't just get services, they get transformation. Next, I want you to say, I'm currently booking clients who are ready to grow and not just start. Okay, this is going to attract the action takers in your circle. Next, I want you to say, I specialize in creating custom solutions. Okay, because that lets them know that you're ready to work with them on a personal level. And then last but not least, say things like, if you're serious about building something real, I'm the woman you want to walk up to. Okay, now that's a little flex, but you can use that and make it a benefit for you. It shows that you have leadership capabilities, okay? It shows you have confidence in your product and that you care about your clients. All right. All right. Well, that's all I got right now. But like I said, you want to keep running this race with me, and I want you to go to the next video that's going to help you, because right now you just built a business from scratch. Like I said, it's no fluff. This is no clickbait. This is true. You can do it. I've done it. I'm doing it now. So you can definitely jump in on the bandwagon. Don't forget about the challenge. I want you to go today and clear these steps, get them out the way so you can start seeing your ball roll. All right, gang? Now, your business is in motion. Go get paid to be you. See why personality is the new currency? Click on the next video and I will see you over there.